Aloha, I'm Hawaii Wedding Officiant Kim Cornella, and I have a wedding tip for couples getting married. Today's tip is on Unity Ceremonies. A Unity Ceremony is part of a regular wedding ceremony, but it's a special ceremony within the ceremony to signify the couples coming together. In Hawaii, popular Unity Ceremonies are the lei exchange, a candle lighting ceremony, sand unity ceremony, breath of life ceremony. Popular unity ceremonies on other places, like the mainland, are like beer unity ceremonies, feet washing, hand binding, painting unity. I've seen a volcano unity ceremony. There's hundreds of them to choose from, and there's also cultural ones as well. So you can incorporate as many unity ceremonies as you'd like into your wedding ceremony. It helps to make the ceremony longer, but you should choose what's meaningful to you. There is no right or wrong thing that you should be choosing. Review your options, and whatever appeals to you, that's what you should incorporate. If it's going to make your day special and meaningful, then choose those. If you're looking for ideas on what to have in your wedding, if you're getting married in Hawaii and want to know what's popular ceremonies here in Hawaii, visit my website, weddingsonoahu.com. I have a lot of helpful tips for couples getting married in Hawaii, specifically on the island of Oahu, but I also have a resource specifically on unity ceremonies and details all the different ones, and it might spark something that is of interest to you. If you have any questions about getting married in Hawaii, specifically on the island of Oahu, or if you would like to get married in a love-centric wedding ceremony on the island of Oahu, based on your love and your journey as a couple, please contact me. I create personalized ceremonies for couples, and I would love to do a wedding for you. Please comment below or private message me. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.